Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to sell items back to the scientists that run this funny facility inside of Voices of the Void. So the first thing you're going to need to do is either find in the world or purchase one, if you've already run out of them, in the store on your computer, an item box. The item box is something that costs just 10 bucks or 10 points in the game. And when you sell it back to the scientists, they'll give you back the 10 points so that you can constantly buy and sell them over and over again. Once that is delivered by the drone that flies through the air, you'll be able to fill it with different types of junk that you want to get rid of and sell. Specifically things that you know you don't need anymore. Like, because I've got the solar-powered ATV, burning coal to make fuel isn't super important to me. So I'm just going to sell it back to the scientists for money. So I'm just going to click on these pieces and then hit store, hit number 1 to store them inside of this little box here. Not sure what that sound was. And then we can also put other things in here that we don't need. Like I can put empty food boxes in here. I can put organic trash because I don't have a use for that anymore. Disc boxes don't have a use as far as I'm aware. And then, like, you can put all of your garbage bags from cleaning up the trash around your base in here, and they actually are something that you can exchange for money. And so that's what you can do. You can put pretty much anything you want inside of this item box so that you can sell it back to the scientists. And here's the one that I just ordered. I already had one on hand. The item boxes just arrive in a crate, but they're too big to put in your inventory, so they'll just pop out. You can just pick them up. They're relatively light, despite the fact that they look like a giant metal trunk. And then you can just fill them up, like right here. So once you're reasonably satisfied that you've got the item boxes full as you're going to get it this time around, just bring it over here to where your supplies are dropped off every day. Stick it in the center of this X with a circle in the middle of it. This is the drone unloading loading zone, and then go over here to this little compartment here, the delivery drone access panel, pop it open, and as long as this is green, you can hit use. If this is red, that means that the signal tower here that allows the scientists back home to locate you is currently offline. You have to climb to the top of it and reset the relay switch at the top. That should reset this, and then you can come over here and use it, and it'll summon the drone to come pick stuff up. And you can see how far away the drone is at the very bottom. It'll also show you how far away the drone is if it's coming to drop something off for you, or whatever other reason the drone might be coming to stop by and say hello. And then once you're done with that, make sure to lock up for the night so no potential creatures get in to eat you, and then you're good. You should be able to see once the drone arrives that the number in the upper left corner of your screen will increase. It'll make a little beep noise and you'll get more points depending on the value of the stuff inside that box. And you'll also get a confirmation in your email that they received your package, and it'll tell you how many points that you got it for. In this case, I got a package received right here yesterday. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. That's been how you sell items in Voices of the Void. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.